Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we will discuss 30 multiple choice questions related to DC generator. All questions are very important, so friends don't skip till the end. So let's start. Question number 1. The EMF of a DC generator depends on. Answer is option C, speed. Question number 2. A generator may lose residual magnetism because of. Answer is option A, heating. Question number 3. The efficiency of a DC shunt generator is maximum when the. Answer is option D. Armature copper losses are equal to the constant losses. Question number 4. In DC generators, armature reaction is produced actually by. Answer is option D, load current in armature. Question number 5. The yoke of a DC machine carries dash pole flux. Answer is option B, 1/2 of. Question number 6. The function of commutator in a DC machine is. Answer is option C, to change alternating voltage to direct voltage. Question number 7. The purpose of providing dummy coils in a generator is. Answer is option D, to provide mechanical balance for the rotor. Question number 8. The material for commutator brushes is generally. Answer is option D, carbon. Question number 9. The armature winding of a DC machine is placed on the rotor too. Answer is option C, facilitate commutation. Question number 10. A 4-pole DC machine has dash magnetic circuits. Answer is option C, 4. Question number 11. Which of the following losses in a DC generator is dissipated in the form of heat? Answer is option D, all of these. Question number 12. Interpoles are usually wound with. Answer is option B, heavy gauge copper wire. Question number 13. Which of the following generator is used for charging batteries? Answer is option A, shunt generator. Question number 14. The voltage regulation of an over-compounded DC generator is always. Answer is option B, negative. Question number 15. The voltage regulation of a DC generator at full load being 0 implies that the generator is. Answer is option C, cumulatively compounded. Question number 60. The type of DC generator used for arc welding process is. Answer is option D, differentially compounded generator. Question number 17. Sparkless commutators can be achieved by employing. Answer is option D, any one or more of the above methods. Question number 18. In case of DC machines, mechanical losses are primary function of. Answer is option C, speed. Question number 19. Wave winding is composed of. Answer is option C, that even number which is exact multiple of poles plus 2. Question number 20. The yoke of a DC machine is made of. Answer is option D, cast steel. Question number 21. The coupling field between electrical and mechanical system of a DC machine is. Answer is option B, magnetic field. Question number 22. The brush voltage drop in a DC machine is about. Answer is option C, 2 volt. Question number 23. With a DC generator, which of the following regulation is preferred? Answer is option D, 1% regulation. Question number 24. For a fixed number of poles and armature conductors, select the winding that will give higher EMF. Answer is option B, wave winding. Question number 25. The function of brushes in a DC generator is to. Answer is option A, collect current from the commutator and supply it to external circuit. Question number 26. Lap winding is most suitable for. Answer is option A, low voltage high current machine. Question number 27. The number of brushes in a commutator depends on. Answer is option D, amount of current to be controlled. Question number 28. The field coils of a DC generator are usually made of. Answer is option B, copper. Question number 29. In lap winding, the number of brushes is always. Answer is option B, same as the number of poles. Question number 30. The armature of a DC machine is laminated in order to reduce dash. Answer is option A, eddy current losses.